Ladies, are you ready to uncover the world's best-kept beauty secrets? From Japan to Brazil, these time-tested remedies will transform your beauty routine. Japan. Ever wondered how Japanese women achieve such sleek, shiny hair? Their secret is rice water. Rich in amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, rice water strengthens hair, promotes growth, and adds an unbelievable shine. Simply soak rice in water, let it ferment overnight, and use it as a rinse after shampooing. Next, we head to India, where turmeric reigns as the ultimate beauty ingredient. It's been used for centuries to brighten skin and combat blemishes. This powerful spice is packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Mix turmeric with yogurt or honey, apply it as a face mask, and watch your skin glow. French women believe beauty starts with great skin. Their mantra? Minimal makeup, maximum hydration. They swear by rich, hydrating creams to keep their skin plump and dewy. Invest in a quality moisturizer and let your natural beauty shine. Over in Morocco, argan oil is known as liquid gold. It's a beauty multitasker used for skin, hair, and nails. Rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, argan oil hydrates dry skin, strengthens nails, and tames frizzy hair. It's a beauty powerhouse. No beauty secrets list is complete without South Korea's famous 10-step skincare routine. It's a game changer. This routine includes cleansing, exfoliating, toning, and layering serums, essences, and moisturizers. And let's not forget their iconic sheet masks for a hydration boost. From Greece, we bring you olive oil, the ultimate natural hydrator. Greek women have used it for centuries as a moisturizer and makeup remover. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins, olive oil nourishes your skin and leaves it silky smooth. Try it as a nighttime moisturizer or a gentle cleanser. Finally, let's head to Brazil, where coffee isn't just for drinking, it's a beauty secret. Brazilian women use coffee scrubs to exfoliate and tone their skin. The caffeine in coffee tightens skin and reduces cellulite, while the scrub removes dead skin cells. Your skin will feel baby smooth. These beauty tips have been cherished by women around the globe for centuries. Try them out and let us know which one you love the most. Which beauty secret will you try first? Comment below and subscribe to DidUNoDat for more.